In this video, I'll show you how to unhide database title in Notion. Ever opened a Notion database and wondered where did the title go? Don't worry, it's not gone, it's just hidden. So here's how you can bring it back. First, go ahead and open Notion to your device and then head over into that workspace where your database lives. So this works whether it's inline or full page. Now scroll down and look for that section where your database is actually located. Then click on the settings icon at the top right of that database, and then under that, click on layout. Under layout, you'll be able to find the option to show or hide your database title. So make sure to enable this to be able to show your database title, because once you disable this, your database title would be hidden from the database. And that's it, a simple fix to keep your workspace organized and your databases easy to navigate. Want more Notion tips? Hit subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a like if this video helped you out. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.